Hi all, it's Dr. Shanahan. I am checking in and here to provide you a little bit of information about how the next 8 weeks of our semester is going to go. First, I miss you all. I really do. I hope that you are staying healthy, being smart, that you and your families are healthy too. Please, seriously, I hope that you feel comfortable reaching out to me if you have any issues about your well-being that I could help you with, EKU could help you with, or just things that would be helpful for me to know as far as how you might be able to complete these next 8 weeks of our class. So I'm going to talk through what I've got planned out for the next 8 weeks, and I will also provide this document through an email and put it on Blackboard too, just so that you've got it. But I just wanted to talk through a few of the things. Okay, so first right here, I've listed our remaining assignments that we've got for this semester. So there's 4 of you who've got mini lessons. I will send all of you a separate email with a little bit more information about this, but essentially you're going to create a PowerPoint, submit it to Blackboard, and I will add it to our module for the week, and everyone in the class is going to look through it and be prepared to give you some feedback during a weekly class chat that we will hopefully be able to have. So again, I'll check in with the 4 of you with a little bit more information about that. Okay, so next we've got 2 remaining quizzes, which I'm just going to do on Blackboard. It'll be the same format, 5 open-ended short answer questions. I will let you know before each quiz what those will be on, the topics for each of those quizzes, and when you will do them. I've got a revised calendar at the end of this document, so you'll know when you are doing each of those remaining quizzes. Then you've got 6 writer's notebooks entries left, which you're just going to do in the same way, but I'm also going to have you submit those to Blackboard too. So if you've been putting those in a Word document, in a hard notebook, whatever, just keep doing that. If you've been doing a hard copy, I'll just have you take a picture and put it up on Blackboard. Whatever's easiest, okay? So you'll keep doing those and submitting those, but now also through Blackboard. Then you've got 2 show and tell essays left, your informational essay and your argumentative essay. You're just going to submit those to Blackboard just as you were going to before. Then we've got your author's craft project, which is essentially 3 text analyses that you're going to do in groups, which you were going to do in groups even before this. So I've got the groups here at the bottom, and I'll give you a little bit more information about that. You're going to do online videos of books instead of hard copies of books, okay? Then you've got your final project, which you're going to submit to Blackboard just as you were going to before, and I will give you a little bit more details about that as it gets closer. Okay, so here's how the next again, 8 weeks is going to go as far as content and meeting and what this is going to look like. So it's my goal to have us meet every Tuesday at 11 a.m. So the start of our regular Tuesday class, if you can. And I'm going to do it through Zoom. So I'll send you a link and you will use that link to log in to Zoom for that session. I will send you the link early next week so that you'll have it by Tuesday at 11, okay? I say we're going to try to do this because I know that there's a lot of uncertainty with what's going on, right? Your internet may be spotty, you may be sick, you may be caring for family members. I'm not exactly sure, okay? I may be having my baby with me because he does not like to nap, okay? So I recognize, I promise, I recognize that that we may have other things going on. I would like us all to try to do it each week if we can, because I think it would be good to still meet a little bit, at least face to face, to check in with just have it serve as a time when you can ask questions, where I can provide a little bit more clarification about some of the concepts, all of that. So I will be there. It's not going necessarily for a scheduled amount of time, certainly not until like our normal 12:15, but 10, 20 minutes. We'll just kind of see how much time we need. But I'd like us to try it, okay? We'll try it on Tuesday, see how it goes, and hopefully we can continue with that. Then I'm also going to have you in groups that you will use for your author's craft project, and you're also going to use these groups to discuss your remaining writer's notebooks entries, okay? So here are the 3 groups, okay? You should plan to meet digitally with these 3 people once a week. Okay, so you can do it Thursday at 11 o'clock, right? Instead of our class time, you can find out a time when the 3 of you could talk for 10, 15, 20 minutes each week, depending on the week, but to talk about your writer's notebook entries and do the 3 text analyses. So you can use Zoom, you can use Google Hangouts. Those are free, right? 3-way FaceTime if you've got that, or any other platform of your choice. Try it out. Let me know if you've got issues. So the 3 of you need to be in touch and figure out a time that you can meet each week, okay? Here's what you're going to discuss. Your writer's notebook entries for the week, and then the text analyses for the week. So I will, I'm going to give you more information about that. You do not have, right? Yeah, you do not have one of those next week, a text analysis for your author's craft project. So I will be in touch soon about that. Okay. And then finally, as far as the delivery of content, I am going to create in Blackboard a module for each week. Okay, I'm just going to do it by week instead of by day, because just for ease of everyone. Okay, so I will have a module in Blackboard for each of the remaining weeks, and it will have any PowerPoints that I have created, or videos that I've created or found that have explanations of the concepts for the week. Okay, so you should be checking those modules to learn about the concepts for each week, in addition to keeping up with the assigned readings for each week. Okay, most importantly, seriously, most importantly, make time for your health, stay in touch with me about your health, okay? That comes first, and as well as your family, or whoever you are with right now, that absolutely comes first, okay? So please let me know if there's things that I should know that are going to impact your ability to participate in this course, okay? I will absolutely understand, but I've got to know, okay? So here is the remaining course calendar that we've got. All right, so starting next week, okay, nothing now, but starting next week, we'll do nouns and verbs, okay? Here are the readings that you should be doing for next week. And here are the assignments that you've got due for next week. As far as a due date, I didn't put an exact date or time for any of these, because I know that internet can be spotty, and I want you to know that I understand that. Okay, try for the end of the week for all of these things, okay? So, or by the time that you have your discussion with your group members. So you might be thinking about that too. Maybe you talk on Fridays, because you know that that will give you most of the week to get those writer's notebook entries completed, okay? Totally up to you. The weekends are fine too, okay? So by the end of the week, by Friday, Saturday, Sunday, that's all fine and good with me, okay? So then we've got the following week, all right? Same deal. Here's the topics. Here's the readings due. We've got a few more things that week. Again, I will be in touch with information about what this text analysis will look like, but essentially I'm going to send you a video of a book being read out loud, and you are going to watch the video and then talk about it with your peers in terms of the types of grammar and craft choices that the author is making. Okay, then you're going to have your show and tell essay due, and same sort of deal. Okay, I know you can read through this. All right, here's what we've got left for the rest of the semester. That final project, let me think through that one a little bit more. I mean, I know we're gonna do it, but as far as presenting it at all in person, or whether you'll upload it and people will comment, let me think through that a little bit more. Okay, so I will be in touch about that. So I think that's about it. All right, here's all of the remaining assignments, information about that. Like I said, we are going to try to meet every Tuesday at 11 o'clock. I will send you the Zoom invite. Okay, it'll be a link that you'll go to by email. All right, I have found that Zoom is a little bit more reliable than Blackboard Collaborate, which I've also used. So we'll try it out. All right, I will be in touch through email and probably more videos like this with much more information. So keep your heads up. All right, this will all start next week. Right now, right, it's Wednesday. You are not responsible for anything right now or this week. Okay, if you want to jump on some of these things, right, readings and things for next week, go for it. But right now, you are not responsible for anything. Okay, so stay positive, stay healthy. I'm thinking of you. Get some rest. Try to read a book. Watch something great on Netflix. Try to enjoy this time. Okay, thinking of you, and I will talk with you later. Bye-bye.